Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the latest financial news. Today, we're dissecting a significant shift in economic predictions that could impact your investments. So let's get right into it. Citi economists have adjusted their forecasts for the Federal Reserve's monetary policy, marking a notable pivot from their previous expectations. Initially, many anticipated a rate cut as early as July, but the latest data has pushed that timeline further out. Yes, you heard that right. We're now looking at September for the first rate cut. Why the sudden change, you ask? It's all in the numbers. May's job data came in hot, way hotter than anyone, including Citi, expected. The employment report showed a robust addition of 272,000 jobs, smashing past the projected 175,000. Even Citi's own estimate was a modest 140,000. Talk about a market surprise. Now, with government hiring on the rise and healthcare sectors booming with new jobs, the dynamics of our economy seem stronger at mid-year than many predicted. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Despite these strong job numbers, the unemployment rate actually edged up slightly from 3.86% to an around consensus 4.0%. It appears that more people are entering the job market, nudging up the unemployment rate despite more jobs being available. Citi now believes that by September, the focus will shift more towards the employment situation, rather than just inflation, prompting the Fed to start implementing 25 basis point rate cuts at each subsequent meeting, aiming for a terminal rate of between 3.25% and 3.5%. What does this mean for you, the investor? Well, it's a bit of a mixed bag. On one hand, slower rate cuts could mean the economy is performing well, which is good news. On the other, it might delay the easing of credit conditions, potentially slowing down certain types of investments. So whether you're knee-deep in stocks, bonds, or keeping an eye on your mortgage rate, these developments are crucial to monitor. As always, I'll keep you updated with the latest info right here, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think this adjustment in rate cut expectations will affect your investment strategy? Let's discuss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay invested. Goodbye.